Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Class 8th. Today our lesson is a poem. Its name is Newcomer. This poem is about animal kingdom. There is a news that is spread through all the animals that there is a newcomer arrived in their world. So there is an atmosphere of horror and uneasiness. This newcomer is associated with destruction. Actually, this newcomer is man. Man has progressed a lot in every field of life. He can swim and dive deep in the seas, and he can overcome obstacles there. Man has dug the land such deeper where no animal can dare to go. Even man has conquered the polar regions with the help of scientific knowledge. His progress even causes the destruction not only for atmosphere but even for himself. So the animals here are associating him with killing and destruction. So according to them, this newcomer is not environmental friendly. He is killing animals because of his activities. And as we know that man has progressed a lot in every field of life, but because of all that scientific inventions that has made his life much easier, but side by side there are many side effects that are caused because of his progress. He is destroying the atmosphere, he is causing pollution. There are different types of pollution, land pollution and water pollution, and such type of pollution are dangerous not only for himself but also for environment and all the other animals. So in this poem we will see that what the animals are saying. There is something new in the river, the fish said as it swam. It's got no scales, no fins, no gills, and ignores the impassable dam. So the fish are surprised looking a new creature in the deep waters. It's different from the normal animals of the sea. It doesn't have any type of gills or fins or scales just like fish. So they are surprised who is that newcomer, and even he is not afraid of any type of obstacle. He even ignores the impassable dam. There is something new in the trees. I heard a blotted thrush sing. It's the name of bird. It is got new beak. Sorry, it has got no beak, no claws, and no feathers, and not even the ghost of a wing. So there is also a cry of the bird that he has seen something new in the trees. It's also different from the birds. It doesn't have beak just like the birds. It doesn't have claws or it doesn't have feathers, but still he is flying. So he is also terrified by such a creature that is different from the birds, but it can fly like them. There is something new in the warren, said the rabbit to the doe. It is it has got no fur, no eyes, no paws, yet digs deeper than we dare go. Here the rabbit is telling something to deer, and he is also talking about a new creature, a newcomer. He also says that it is different from us. It doesn't have paws. There are no eyes like us and no fur like us, but still it can dig deeper than us. There is something new in the whiteness, said the snow bright polar bear. I saw its shadow on the glacier, but it left no paw mark there. So even the polar bear is also talking about man. It's mean that man also has reached there and the polar regions, and he is also surprised on looking a different creature, different than the animals. It doesn't have the features like the animals, but it is also reached there. It has also conquered the area. Through the animal kingdom, the news was spreading fast. No beak, no claws, no feather, no scales, no fur, no gills. It lives in the trees and the water, in the soil, the snow, and the hills, and it kills, it kills, it kills. This, the repetition of that word kills, that shows that the animal kingdom has a fear on the arrival of this newcomer, and they know about him that he means only to kill the others. So this all the poem is actually about the development, about the progress of human creature, of human being, and what type of destructions the people are giving to their atmosphere. So this poem is giving us a moral lesson that we should be environmental free. We should try to make our environment clean and friendly. We should be environmental friendly, and the inventions that are invented for our ease, we should use them, but try to decrease the pollution, decrease the dangers that these inventions are creating in our atmosphere. And we should, just like we can try to reduce the pollution from by the different ways, and we can plant new plants, and we can use the different ways, we can recycle, reuse, and in this way we can be environmental friendly, and we can save the other creatures from the destruction. And then they will not associate with human being that it kills and it kills and it kills.